Hello, boys and girls. Thank you for coming to this musical moment. Today we are going to do experiment number 2 from your distance learning packets. So grab a pencil and you will need this page of your distance learning packet. Please put your name, your teacher name, and the date at the top. You see this is for kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd grade. And 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, your page looks almost identical. Put your name, your teacher's name, and the date at the top, and we will get started. So our question today is, does hot and cold water sound different when poured into glasses of the same size? So here are my 2 glasses. I'll set them down and you will see they are the same size, and right now, empty, empty, okay? So take a minute and think. If I put hot water in one glass and I put cold water in the other glass, will they make the same sound? Yes or no? Take a moment to answer that on your page right here. And while you are answering the questions on your page, I am going to get our water ready. So let's move these glasses to the side for a second. I have a liquid measuring cup. I am going to fill this measuring cup with 16 ounces of hot water. So I want the hottest water. So when I turned on the faucet here, I made sure it was the hot water coming out. I filled the measuring cup up to 16 ounces, and now I'm going to put it in the microwave. Because I just want to make sure that it's hot. I'm going to set it for 1 minute. Let's just see what it does. Okay. 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, I bet you can do this on your own. Ask your family if you can. Kinders, 1st and 2nd graders, you might need an adult in your house or an older sibling, a brother or sister to help you. Now for the cold water, I have another liquid measuring cup. There, so you can see it. This one's slightly bigger. I could fill this up to 32 ounces, but I'm only going to fill it up to 16 ounces to match the cup that's in the microwave. I got some ice cubes out of my ice cube tray here, and I put 10 ice cubes in here. You could put more to make sure it's the coldest water, or you can put less. I don't know if that would change the sound. I just happened to choose 10 ice cubes. Now I'm going to turn my faucet handle the other way so it's cold water coming out. And we're going to fill to 16 ounces. So I'm going to let that water just kind of sit there with those ice cubes so it gets extra cold. Let's check our hot water here. Oh, that's not very hot. I'm going to put it in for 1 more minute. So 2 minutes total in the microwave for that hot water. Okay, now while that's going, let's double check here on our page. Does the hot and cold water sound different when poured into the glasses of the same size? Make sure you circle yes or no, and then write a sentence to tell me why you picked that answer. Okay, so right now, we already have our 2 glasses and containers ready. We're going to listen for the differences in the sound. Let me get a spoon. I'm kind of excited to see what will happen, boys and girls. I've never done this experiment before. Okay. 2 glasses, cold water, hot water coming right up. Okay, yes, that is a little bit hotter. So when you do the hot water, boys and girls, I don't want it boiling. Look, you don't see bubbles coming out of the water. But I don't know if you can see steam in the video. There is a little bit of steam coming off of it. So you got to be careful with that hot water. You do not want to burn yourself. That would not be fun. Okay, hot water glass right here coming up. You can see the steam coming off the hot water. You can see it fogging up the glass. I'm going to stop right there, okay? Here's what it sounds like. Now the cold water glass. I'm going to be careful. I don't want the ice cubes to get in there. Oh no! Whoop! Well, I guess some ice cubes got in there. Okay, we'll just leave it just like that. Okay, boys and girls, let's see what happens. So here's the cold water. Remember the hot water? Cold water. Oh, so is there a difference in the sound? Listen one last time. Hot water, cold water. If you said that there is a difference, I think that you are right. I hope that you circle yes on that page. Now I'm wondering, is there a difference because I happen to have some ice cubes in the cold water and the ice cube is taking up space as it's taking up space in the volume of this cup. So I don't know if the pitch sounds different because there's less water for the sound to vibrate through because the ice cubes are in the way. Or I don't know. Let's see. Let's do one last experiment. I'm going to take out the ice cubes. I'm just dumping them in the sink here. Okay. Now you're going to notice, so the ice cubes are gone here, and you're going to notice the water level is a little bit lower. So let's see. Here's hot water, cold water. Okay, there's a big difference there, but I think that's because the water levels are a little different. So let me see if I can make the hot water level the same as the cold water level. That's kind of hot, boys and girls. Don't underestimate the power of hot water in a microwave for 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit more. That will get hot. Okay, a little bit of cold water. And I think they will be about equal. So let's see. Here's the hot water. This will give us a true test. Here's the cold water. Oh, listen again. I think there's a slight difference. And then cold water right here. Okay, boys and girls, I noticed that there is a different sound still. The hot water sounds kind of high, but kind of a dull color. And the cold water is a little bit higher and a little bit brighter in sound. So thank you for doing this experiment with me today. If you decide to do this at home, just be really careful when you are using your glasses and when you are measuring the water, especially the hot water when you put it in the microwave. So I hope you have fun. You can send me a message in Class Dojo and tell me how it went. Bye.